bakit si Miss Regine Velasquez ang napili mo and paano mo siya napa-oo agad?
So Ate Regine kasi, according to the queer community, is the gay icon of the Philippines. Siya talaga yung gay icon, the queen of the gays, yung ganun. She is an inspiration to so many people in the queer community. And even Ate Reg said herself when we were at the recording studio, so many of her fans are gay or from the queer community. And siya talaga yung OG baklang babae. That's the title that they gave her. Diba? And because the song is very it's mothering, nandito na si nanay. And I guess with me and Ate Reg there, Ate Reg talaga is the, I guess, mother of the community because so many gay people look up to her. And she was the perfect fit for the song. I'm just so glad she said yes. The team reached out to her earlier this year before I left. And she looked at the lyrics, listened to the demo, and she really loved it because it really had a message that was for the community. And she really acknowledged that babaeng bakla siya. And that, you know, the gays really gave her that title, and most of her fans are gay. So she loved it, and she said yes kaagad, and she was the best person to work with. It was like being in a master class talaga with her.